Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to challenge the Japanese club's tour event in eFootball 2024. So this is the J.League 2023 challenge. And before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can join the event, or how you can complete the objectives and missions so you can get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started. After long maintenance yesterday, this one, sorry, after this maintenance, there are some upgrade about this game. So one of the new events here is J.League challenge. Tap the dream team, tap the events. This is the first one. By playing versus a match and collecting event points, you can earn change deals, GP, and even standard play tickets as a reward. So you are playing against a J-League. Here, tap to enter, and you can set up your game plan first before play this game. And also this is match setting. You can change the difficult and to the match now. And I'm using Bayern Munchen as my team, and we are going to face Nagoya Grampus from J-League 2023 season. So welcome to the gameplay. Bayern Munchen versus Nagoya Grampus. Make sure you win this game so you can get the rewards and progress into the next stages. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.